As you can see, we have all types of bikes. We got cruisers, we got sport bikes. There's my baby, Bullet. Got the Honda double 100,000 double R's. More cruisers, Hondas, BMWs. Nice ride. What's going on, brother? What's up, man?
What's up, dude? How are you?
All right. Bike's looking good. What's up, brother?
Hey, how are you?
All right. Old school booster. Come around out of the light. So this is a weekly planned ride on Wednesday, starting from IKEA in College Park. Even got a couple of H2s.
This is just a slider. Slider? Yeah. Slider for the
All right, what's up, man? Got all the cruisers. It's gonna be a nice bike ride tonight. Last week we had about 30 people. Bikes are still coming. Kickstands are usually up around 7:30. So come on out to the ride. We have some new riders. We have some old riders. Good time. It's a good time. This your boy Hammer signing off. And I am going to record some of the rides so that you all can see what a group ride is like.